to tell you what I need right there. Where'd you go? Oh, you know. Hey y'all, so welcome to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. As I told y'all, I'm going to be dropping bangers after bangers. As y'all can hear, it's storming so bad, y'all, and I'm like, Jesus, I don't understand what's going on with this weather in Jamaica. I guess around this time it's just rainy season, hurricane season. Oh, I just be thinking about people that's out there on the boats and stuff. I hope they're okay. Like people that's like, I always think about the people who are on the boats right now, people who, oh hell no, I'm scared, y'all. I want to go home. Good morning, y'all. So welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. As you can see from the title down below, your girl is going to Kingston with some of my friends, and my friends are performing. So they called me this morning, y'all. I was knocked, I was asleep out, and my friend, she called, she like, girl, get up, guess where we going? And I'm like, girl, where we going? Because I'm like, I don't know. Really excited, y'all, to hear that we're going. Like, I'm just grateful to go anywhere. Like I'm telling you, when I'm in Jamaica, I'm grateful to go down the street. I already washed my face, took a shower, got my whole toiletry bag. Cause this is what my hair been looking like, y'all, for the past few days. I need a retwist and I need to wash because it's very dirty. So I'm just finally going through like those certain stages, you know, that you go through where it starts to get really frizzy and like starts budding. So this is like pretty much what's happening, the frizz, the bud. I'm loving it for real though. And then yeah, so loving the process of everything. Just, you know, gotta get used to it being this way. So basically this is probably how I'm gonna wear my hair today. I don't feel like doing too much like tension or putting it up in a ponytail. I just kind of feel like just wearing it and rocking it like this. I'll show you my outfit. This is the fit of the day. So this is my fit for the day. Shorts and yeah, just the hair. I might end up putting it up. That's why I'll bring me a little. But oops, how I'm gonna rock it. I really like it like this. Probably gonna add me some jewelry. And yeah. So I'll see y'all on the road. Yeah, so I'm about to leave the house. I don't know, I'm putting this on here to kind of stretch my hair out because I'm wearing it down. But hold on, I don't know, for some reason I'm so tired, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm so tired, and I don't know why. Like, I guess like my body done got used to just like not really doing much over the weekend, so tired. But I'm about to leave out now, and yeah. So I guess I'll show y'all when I'm on the road. My locks are locking today. Y'all see that? They are locking, honey. The locks are doing what it's supposed to do. Wait, where we at? We're still in St. Okay. We're almost out. Okay, y'all. So we in St. It's hot as hell. And yeah, we taking a stop.
Let me just change red button. Down this side one. we're searching for the buns.
That's why I try not to. Like, damn, a mukbang is... We get you now.
Catch you already?
Yeah.
Get you good.
Oh, our video, so...
Yeah.
See,
I only
see faction.
I only for man go out in that. I could have done it.
If you don't be a one of it,
I don't scare of them. Tell them go walk on the wall and be chop off on the head.
No, son. I'm nervous, but I'm breathing. Right. This is the before. I say 5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my earnings. The fear in my mind there's a warning. Pray to that one you're relying. I've been wondering all day. I tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning. And behind my mind it runs all these thoughts they trouble me. Trying to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right there. I really need time now. I need that free mind now. I really need mine now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now.
One more.
Another day, another dollar. Me nah go lean for nobody, brother, me rather maga. Cause when me look across my shoulder for my darker corner, nah go see nobody over there. Only Father God alone. But nah go look to round and look to dollar cause I them dollar want them rather own. Me feel the under corner. Money you gonna rather baptism, you nah go bother. So poverty can hold me down, you need a taller corner. Me and the money in a holy matrimony. Was me just adjust up myself to some things that people around me warrior.
Okay, yes. So we made it. Where we at, y'all? Linstead. You know, I mean, I know. I don't know where we at, y'all. I'll get you. But we made it. Yeah.
You're from Westmoreland? Okay, we're in Westmoreland.
One day, cause we are gonna tell me what I need right here. I really need time now. I need a free mind now.
Alright, well, another day, another dollar. Me nah go lean for nobody, brother, me rather maga. Cause when me look across the shoulder for me darker corner, nah go see nobody over there, only Father God alone. Me nah go look to rather look to dollar cause I y'all wanna rather work me fit the yonder corner. Money you gonna rather baptism, you gonna go bother. So poverty can hold me down, you need that dollar corner. Me and the money in a holy matrimony was me just so me say so some things that people roll me here. When you're the chat, you make me name in your story only. If you know so you chat me, you so you grow me game. What do you do?
say?
No, hear me, I say no, my people. Only not 2022 and 2027, me, I know. Hear me, I'm 5 minutes time, man. Where's the wise one? Run a full of artists.
No. Feel it be a little more. Big up deep in a yummy fit tour. She said go easy, you are go make it sore. Beat it at teeth to see when you feel a bit more. Oh, me feel more when skin let it more. So you walk in and so me make it more. Take you to someone you never did before. Make you say something you never said before. Loving in every season of vegetable farmer. Yo, yard up on the pajama. Fast all is a papa. Want you till me short, not till me mara. Make your call with the ladder. Make your boss up in my sambara. Say you want pleasure. Can't deny them radar. Wish we could have days forever, ever. Would you do me a favor? Ooh, when me put it on.
Jump there! Put your man job! Can't even put your man down! I know the girl them! Hey! Over me! Out I go! No calaman over me! Out I go! Who know what me mash up in and I'm betting?
Okay, y'all, so it's getting later in the day. They're about to perform soon. Yeah, we just getting prepared. I'm gonna put all their clips in here so y'all can see how they are amazing artists, my friends. And yeah, y'all. So yeah, that's what we're about to do.